Today I'm going to show you how to redirect a domain on Namecheap step by step in the fastest and easiest way possible. This is a really useful setup if you want one domain to send visitors to another website, a new page, or even a completely different brand URL. Whether you're moving a site, forwarding an old domain, or simply cleaning up your web presence, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Namecheap account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From there, look for the domain list option. You can usually find it in the left-hand menu or near the main account area. Click on domain list to see all of the domains connected to your account. Next, find the domain that you want to redirect. If you manage multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, because this is the domain that will be sending visitors somewhere else. Once you've found it, click Manage. This will open the settings for that specific domain. Now, in the domain settings, look for the name servers section. This is an important step because the redirect option works properly when the domain is using Namecheap BasicDNS. So under name servers, select Namecheap BasicDNS. After you choose that setting, save or confirm it if needed. Once BasicDNS is selected, you'll be able to continue with the redirect setup. Now scroll until you see the Add Redirect option. Click Add Redirect to begin creating the forwarding rule for your domain. In the source domain field, enter the domain you want to redirect from. This is the address people will type into their browser before being sent onward. Then, in the destination field, enter the full URL where you want visitors to go. Make sure you use the complete format, including HTTPS such as https www.google.com. That full format matters because it tells Namecheap exactly where to send the traffic. Double-check the destination URL for spelling and make sure there are no missing characters or extra spaces. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. Namecheap will apply the redirect settings, and after a short moment, your domain should begin forwarding to the new destination. And that's how you redirect a domain on Namecheap. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.